Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will deliver the lecture of SST of 6th class. I hope you will be fine and you have learned the previous lesson. In previous lecture we have discussed the remaining part of the Aryans and now our today's topic is Buddha and Buddhism. Now I'm going to start chapter number 3, Buddha and Buddhism. Students, in previous chapter we have learned about Aryans and their religious teachings. Basically, the Buddhism started from the religion of Aryans. Now in this chapter we will read about Buddha and Buddhism. Okay, now let's begin. In the previous chapter you learned that Hinduism has its roots in the religion of the Aryans. Around the 5th century BCE, guys, BC stand for before Common Era, another religion or way of life also surfaced on the subcontinent and became widely accepted in a very short span of time. बहुत ही कम वक्त में बरसगीर में एक और मज़हब और ज़िंदगी के तौर तरीक़ों को एक्सेप्ट किया गया. दिस न्यू रिलीजन वाज बुद्धिज़्म. ये नया मज़हब बुद्धिज़्म था. Guys, here are some questions about Buddhism and its beginning. How did Buddhism begin? What does Buddhism teach us? Let's read on to find out. Buddhism कैसे शुरू हुआ और Buddhism ने हमें क्या सिखाया? Now we will read the story about Buddhism. The story of Prince Siddharth. Prince Siddharth Gautama was the son of King Suddhodana and Queen Maya of a small kingdom in Nepal, जो नेपाल की छोटी सी सल्तनत में रहते थे. As was the custom in those days, जैसा कि उन दिनों में रवाज था, an astrologer was, now guys move to next page, consulted at the birth of the prince. एक आलम नजूम से मशवरा किया गया शहज़ादे की पैदाइश पर, who predicted that Siddharth would become either a great leader or a very holy man. जिसने पेशनगोई की कि या तो सिद्धार्थ एक रहनुमा बनेगा या एक अजीम इंसान. King Suddhodana decided to train him to become a great leader and issued strict orders for his upbringing. किंग सुद्धोधना, जो कि सिद्धार्थ का बाप था, इसने फैसला किया कि सिद्धार्थ को एक अजीम रहनुमा बनाने की तरबियत दी जाए और इसकी परवरिश के लिए सख्त किस्म के अहकामात इशू किए. वन ऑफ विच वाज डैट सिद्धार्थ वाज नॉट अलाउड आउट ऑफ द पैलेस अंडर एनी सर्कमस्टांसेस. इनमें से एक ये था कि सिद्धार्थ महल से बाहर नहीं जाएगा किसी भी सूरत हाल में. He was provided with the best teachers and material comforts of every possible kind. उसको बेहतरीन टीचर्स प्रोवाइड किए गए और हर तरह का उसे सुकून दिया गया. But shielded from knowledge of religion and human suffering. लेकिन उसे मज़हब और इंसानी तकालीफ से दूर रखा गया. Students, this was the introduction of Buddha, Buddhism and the King Siddharth. Okay guys, we can make a question here which is already mentioned in your notes. The question is, what orders were issued by Suddhodana for Buddha? The answers start from here, King Suddhodana till human suffering. Now guys, look at page number 12. Here we can also make a question which is already mentioned in your notes. Guys, the question is, when did Buddhism religion accept? The answers start from here, around the 5th century till this new religion was Buddhism. Guys, the next question which is mentioned in your notes, the question is, what was the name of Buddha and who were the parents of Buddha? The answer starts from here, Prince Siddharth Gautama till a small kingdom in Nepal. Now guys, you will learn all these questions from your notes. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.